Hi, Jilly. Hi. Can you say hi? Oh, bless you. Bless you. Can you tell everyone that you're 2 months old today? Are you 2 months old today? You going to talk to your mama? Huh? Hi. You going to talk? Yeah. He? Cute. Oh, that's sweet. Ooh. Oh. Oh, I like your talking. Can you tell me more? Can you tell me more? Goo. What else? Anything else? Are you all done? Yeah. Are you looking real beautiful on your 2-month birthday? Yeah. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Yeah. I like your talking. That's so nice. Mommy likes that. Oh, you're such... What a doll you are being. Yeah. Yeah. It's nice talking. Got your beautiful dress on that Daddy got you in utero. Yeah, it's almost too small. We had to wear it today. Say bye-bye.